back to my channel. And so today is the 20th of March and this is a very special day because it's my husband's birthday and we're gonna celebrate it. Later we're gonna bring you guys to the restaurant that I booked. So yeah, I just wanted to share this precious day. Actually, this is not just his birthday, these are monthsary as well because we got married on my birthday. It's the same not same day, same I mean it's a, okay, how you said it? It's a date is the 20th. Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna celebrate our anniversary, monthsary of our anniversary. Wow. So yun, and of course celebrating his birthday. Actually, I did not prepare. Hindi ako nakapag-prepare kasi hindi lang ako nakapag-prepare actually. And parang wala akong naging idea to what to give on his birthday. That's why I don't have gift to him. So I just told him that we can go somewhere else, like in the restaurant. So I booked a restaurant for us for tonight. It's a dinner date and yeah, I'm so excited actually. And I chose a Korean one, so you'll see guys how it looks like, and I'm hoping that the food will be really nice. And yeah, I'm so excited, my love. happy birthday. Okay, so I'm gonna give a message now to him. So my love, happy birthday, and you know that I'm always here for you. Thank you for always taking care of me. Thank you for always making a food, and you've been such a lovely husband. For 5 years, you've been so I couldn't ask for more. You were such a nice, your patience for me is definitely you know, I couldn't find the word what to say, but I love you. I'm always here for you, and I will love you forever and always. I've been always by your side, and I will support you whatever you want. I will support your dreams, and I just really hope that God will bless us more. God will bless you more, and I hope your dream will come true. I love you, my love. Happy birthday. Guys, this is their toilet. It's so nice. Seriously. There's a BTS here. So this is what we ordered. This is gonna be our starter. Yay! So this is what we ordered.
Bent lesz az interneten minden. Csak az alkalmat ne vegyétek. Nem egyezik a jövőbeli terveimmel.
Happy birthday to you!
Boldog szülinapot, kedves László, boldog szülinapot.
Reméljük, hogy ennél hosszabb lesz az élet.
So we are here in Ticket to the Circus, guys, and the birthday boy is here. So this is the big screen in Ticket to the Circus. Wonder Boy. Underground was here. So, birthday dinner is done! Yay!